Hello, this video will detail the Events and App Lab assignment. And I'm actually going to break it up into two separate videos. This first video is going to be centered around adding screens or bringing new screens into your project. Now, the first screen that you're going to see is this Recycling Finder home screen, which you should recognize as something that you have created in a previous lesson, which was the Design Mode in App Lab assignment. Everything should be consistent with that. All of the UI elements should be the same. The element IDs that you assigned in that assignment or you created should all be here. But right now, that is the only screen that you have. So step one is going to ask you to create a new screen. You do that by clicking the drop down up top here in design mode and new screen. You see the screen is completely blank. The directions here say it should be called about. Give it a new screen ID. So currently it says screen one. We're going to make it about. That's it for step one. Run, finish, continue. Now step two has us completing a screen. Now this screen is going to be the about screen. So let's go right to the about screen, which there's nothing here. That's the about screen that they want created. Okay, so we're looking at three UI elements, two of which are labels, one of which is a button. These are the specific UI element IDs that you must assign. So we're going to fast forward a little bit and get to where this is already created. Okay, so here is my about screen. You can see that all three elements have been created along with their correct element IDs. So we're going to click run, finish, continue. Now, step three is going to talk about importing screens. So what we have here is a fictional student has created another screen. If you left click on it, you can see the screen is the search results screen, the search screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that. We're going to copy link address, right click it. We're going to go into the drop down now. We're going to select import screen, paste it, click next. Now you can see there's the screen we want to take. I can import it. If there was any issues, they would be written in red down here, and typically the issue would be that you have conflicting element IDs. And we talked a lot about how you can't have the same element ID or UI ID on two different screens. So when we import it, now you see I have three screens: home, which we got from a previous lesson; about, I just created; and search. So that was pulled in from another fictional student from an outside source. Run, finish, continue. And now, as you can see, there is one additional right here. This is going to be the contact screen. We're going to do the same here. Right click, copy link address, import the screen, paste it, click next, and pray for no red. No red, it's all good to go. We're going to import it. And now we have four screens: home, about, and the imported screens, search, contact. So this was where I'm going to stop this video, because that's steps 1 through 4. That is adding screens, either creating a new one or importing them. And in the next video, we'll go into events.